I could have just stopped that, cranked that, and just invested in a couple things and chill. I wasn't here for the short term. I always thought long-term longevity. I'm in this for the long haul. Look at niggas like P Diddy, been in this shit since I was in diapers. Look at niggas like, who else did it? Jay-Z. Nah, you can't. Yeah, Jay-Z. Look at all them niggas. Jay-Z, P Diddy, the niggas that been in Snoop Dogg. Niggas that been in it for the long haul. I looked at niggas like that, like, okay, this nigga still ain't stopped yet. Man, he's still making hella money. I want to be like that. So that's what the fuck I'm doing.
They want to go from just starting to be on a Tupac level, you know, and there's a lot of ground to cover before you get there. And they don't want to hear that. And if they would take the time to appreciate that path to go, they realize you don't want to miss going from 0 to 60. You don't want to miss the dash in between. That's a good time. That's a good time right there. It might be a little scary, it might be a little nervous at times, but at the end of the day, once you make it to, you know, to your point of you've been around for a while, you'll appreciate the struggling times. And if you just go from point A to Z like that, there's nowhere else to go.